Because you gotta read it yesterday. You gotta do all your stuff yesterday. Oh, hello, you guys. It's time for the
quote of the day.
Woo woo. You wanna open that jar? Long or short?
Long.
Okay. Today's quote of the day is not really, actually.
Then do the other.
Oh well. Take risks. If you win, you will be happy. If you lose, you will be wise. What was the one yesterday? I didn't listen to it.
When I become it. Something like that. I don't remember.
Anyways, guys, I will be leaving Kylie very shortly. Kylie can vlog on the iPad if she wants. Otherwise, like I should be leaving in about 10 minutes. But I need to hurry up and make a card for my grandparents. It is their, give me a minute, 46th anniversary. So,
Can I help?
no. You know what you can do?
What?
You can grab swim team picture from down there.
Someone?
Swim team picture. It's in that black little. Oh, I'll be back to you guys this, but this is the picture I will be using. I'll give them just one though. It's from swim team. See. Focus right there. Okay, you guys can kind of see it. And now it's blurry. There we go. This is the card. This is the outside. Happy 46th anniversary. And then right here, it says, Dear Grandma and Grandpa, happy anniversary. Love, Kenna. And then I took in this right here. The picture. Yeah. And that, I don't know. I'll just leave that, I guess. I'm happy on how these balloons look. I think they look really good.
Oh, yeah. Hello from the outside. La 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 la.
What's cooking, Nugget?
Hashtag, oh, probably zoomed in really far. Hashtag obsessed. For her.
There you go.
Hi guys, at my grandparents. I'll only be here for a little bit. Nothing much really. They finally got their Christmas tree in. What was right there? Oh, look at this picture of me and my sister. Boom. And then there's this picture from my aunt's wedding. And there's me. I look fire. I'll just show you guys some pictures of me way back when. There. That's my oldest sister. And that's my cousin. And that's my other sister. And that's me. And yeah. That's me. I used to have red hair. And then it just changed. That's that same picture you saw there. And then there's this one. And then that one. Where I am right here. In the stroller. Yeah. Here's my little brother. He's on the calendar. Yes, I know. Here's me. Hashtag that tan though. And don't think I have any more in here. Then there's this one. And this one. Oh. There's this one. Oh, and then this. Oh, almost dropped it. Oh, that challenge I told you guys about. It's in one of these bags. Oh, here it is. It's in here. It's a whole bunch. Like, what the heck is this? Oh. I think those are Brazilian. Yeah, half of the bag is filled with candy. Like, there's a whole bunch down there. So Kelly and I are going to be doing that. And that'll be a video this week. I promise. And then there's stuff in there. Nothing much, so. Pretty much it, you guys.